Today we're going to be exploring Google Arts and Culture. The address is artsandculture.google.com. If you click on the word explore, you are able to look at galleries, you're able to look at different artists, different mediums like painting, drawing, sculpture, clay, art movements, meaning different styles of art through the ages, historical movements, famous people in history, as well as places. And so these are all artworks that relate to that. Remember to use your school account for all school assignments. Today we're going to be looking at art movements. When you're in here, you can look at a timeline, you can look in alphabetical order, or you can just look at all these different art movements. Let's start out by going into Post-Impressionism, which has 1,440 items, and Starry Night by Van Gogh falls in here. You can favorite this entire collection. Here's the link, and there's other social media. This gives you information about the artists in this time period. And if you scroll down, you can see all these images that fall into this category of artwork. I'm going to show you how to create a gallery of your favorites. So first, click on an image that you like. If you click again and then again, and you can get this zoom, which allows you to zoom into different areas of the picture, which is quite amazing. You can go pretty far. I highly recommend looking at these pictures up close to look at all the detail. If you scroll down, you will see the favorite sign as well as the link. You can also view these images in street view, meaning that you can walk around inside the museum where this image is at. And if you click on the arrow, it will let you walk around. This is the Museum of Modern Art in New York, is where this particular painting is at. And it lets you see other pictures in the collection. Sometimes you can go up close and sometimes you can't. This is a lot of fun, and you can continue exploring on your own. Go back. It also gives you information about this particular image, including the date, the artist. Pay attention to what size this picture is. It makes a big difference knowing the size of an artwork. Okay, so I've added it to my favorites. Let's go collect other artists. Try to get a variety of artists that interest you. So don't stick with one artist. Okay, let's say that we like this image as well. Remember, you can walk around, zoom in, and let's go explore another movement. Let's say that we want to look at Art Nouveau. It explains all about it, the artists, and let's choose a couple other images from here. Okay, let's say I like this one. Remember to read all about your artist. Okay, we're going to collect one more image so that we can add it to our collection. Okay, once you have acquired a few images, you can go into your favorites. And this is the collection of your favorite images. Now you can create different galleries, which are collections of work according to an idea or a theme. Today I'm going to be creating a gallery all about line. So I can select the images that fit my category. So I'm going to pick this one for line, this one for line, and this one for line. Click continue. The title is line. And on my description, I want you to write down what it is that these images have in common. So artworks that use the element of line effectively. Click on public so that way you can share your gallery with others. Click done, and now here's your gallery. If you want to edit an image, your gallery, click on the three dots and click edit, or you can delete it. When you are finished, you can go back to your favorites, or you can hit the back arrow and this will take you back to where everything is. To share your gallery with others, go inside your gallery. It tells you how many images are in there, and you will see this little link right here. Click on it, and now your link has been copied, and you will be able to share your gallery with others. Have fun collecting images.